Hi, and welcome to today's beginner meditation. I'm Heather, and this is the first meditation I'm uploading to my channel, so I hope that you love it. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you like to receive new free yoga classes every week. And when you're ready, I'll meet you in a seated position. So come to meet me in a nice, comfortable seat. You can maybe sit on the edge of a blanket, a firm blanket, like I'm doing, or you can grab maybe like a tough cushion or just sit on the ground or on a chair. Wherever you are at, make sure that you have a nice long spine. You're sitting up straight so that you're able to breathe. Go ahead and place your hands on your knees or your thighs and start to soften the gaze, maybe right in front of you, or just close the eyes completely. Begin to notice the sounds around you. What do you hear? Start to bring your focus to your breath. Focusing on the inhales and the exhalations. Are they long? Are they short? Do you notice that you're breathing through your stomach or that you're breathing through your chest? And however you are, that's okay. Just simply notice. And notice how once you bring your focus and attention towards the breath, does it start to change? And that's okay too. If your mind starts to wander at any moment, just know that you can always maybe catch yourself with kindness and bring your focus always back to the breath. And if it helps, you can use counts of 3. Inhaling for 1, 2, 3, and exhaling for 1, 2, 3. And now let's bring our attention to the rest of our body and check in there. Starting at the top of our heads, the crown, just start to notice how your body is feeling. And scanning all the way down to the face, to the neck, the shoulders, the arms, torso, hips, the legs, and the feet all the way down to your toes. Are you holding any places of tension? Are you relaxed? What places feel good and what places need a little extra love? And now this is again simply only just to notice and bring attention to where you are at without any judgment. And notice that when your thoughts start to come and your mind wanders, that's okay. Again, just catching yourself and going back to the breath if needed for those counts of 1, 2, 3. So we're taking the role of the observer. Now, wherever you're at, go ahead and let's all bring our attention back to our breath. Maybe take a big inhale fully, filling up your lungs like a balloon. And then just sighing it out. Bring a slight dip in the chin. Hands come together. Rub them together a little bit. And then if you'd like to, place the palms of your hands on your eyes. Just for a moment. And then slowly blink the eyelids open. Maybe first noticing the color of the room, back to the sounds around you, and coming back to the present. Thank you so much for joining me. With a little more practice, meditation comes easier and we start to really become more present and be in control of our thoughts versus our thoughts having control over us. I hope that you enjoyed this. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you, and namaste.